Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the 10 stocks bought by US firm Vanguard Group. So this firm had bought 10 stocks worth rupees 1300 crore in just one day. So we're going to look into the 10 stocks which were bought by this company, and what does this company do is this is an American registered investment advisor based in the US, which was founded in the year 1975. This firm is one of the largest provider of mutual funds and the second largest provider of exchange traded funds, which is in short called as ETF, in the world. And in addition to mutual funds and ETFs, Vanguard offers brokerage services, variable and fixed annuities, educational account services, financial planning and asset management. So this company has bought 10 stocks for 1300 crores. So we're going to get in and see which are those 10 stocks and a quick review of those stocks. So let's get started. So the stock price is as of 19th March 2019. First one in the list is Aarti Industries. Its current share price is 1462 rupees. The 52-week low is 1041, whereas the high is 1807. The industry PE is 26, whereas the company PE is 27. The PB is 6. The ROCE is 16 and the debt to equity is 1.35. The TTM EPS is 52. The promoter holding is 52. 1501 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns: for 1 year it is given as a return of 23%, for 3 years 44%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 62%. Next one on the list is Bata India. So its current share price is 1340 rupees. The 52-week low is 673, whereas the high is 1386. The industry PE is 51, whereas the company PE is 58. The PB is 11. The ROCE is 25, whereas the debt to equity is 0, which means there is no debt with this company. The TTM EPS is 22.83. The promoters here are foreign promoters, so which is 52%. 2339 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns: the stock has given us very good returns. For 1 year, which is given us a return of 90%, for 3 years 39%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 19%. Next one on the list is Castrol India. Its current share price is 158 rupees. The 52-week low is 134, whereas the high is 213. The industry PE is 23, whereas the company PE is 22. The PB is 9. The ROCE is 105 and the debt to equity is 0.00, which means there is no debt with the company. The TTM EPS is 7. The promoters here also, it is foreign promoters, which is 51%. 904 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns: the stock is not given us that good returns for 5 years. For 1 year, 1 and 3 years it is negative, which is for 1 year it is given us a return of minus 21%, and for 3 years it is given us a return of minus 4%. 5 years it is positive but just 1% of return. Next one on the list is DCB Bank. Its current share price is 200 rupees. The 52-week low is 139, whereas the high is 207. The industry PE is 36, whereas the company PE is 21. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 7 and the debt to equity is 10.15. The TTM EPS is 9. Here also it is the foreign promoters, so it is 14%. Mutual fund investments are 938 crores. And returns: For For 1 year, it is given as a return of 22%. For 3 years, 37%. And for 5 years, it is given as a return of 28%. Next one in the list is NIIT Technologies. The current share price is 1,332 rupees. The 52-week low is 820, whereas the high is 1,425. The industry PE is 23, whereas the company PE is 21. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 23 and the debt to equity is 0.01. The TTM EPS is 62. The promoter holding is 30%. 1,236 crores has been invested in this stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 41%, for 3 years 38%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 26%. Next one in the list is RBL Bank. Its current share price is 648 rupees. The 52-week low is 438, whereas the high is 658. The industry PE is 36 and the company PE is 33. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 6 and the debt to equity is 7. The TTM EPS is 18. Here there is no promoter holding. The DIIs and the FIIs hold the maximum percentage. There is no promoter holding, it is 0. And mutual fund investment is 5,060 crores. Returns, the stock came into stock market very recently. So we have only 1 year return here, which is good. It is given as a return of 35%. 3 and 5 years are nil. Next one on the list is Teamlease Services. Its current share price is 2,902 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,989, whereas the high is 3,309. The industry PE is 36, whereas the company PE is 53. The PB is 11. The ROCE is 18 and the debt to equity is 0.02. The TTM EPS is 54. The promoter holding is 40. 225 crores has been invested in this stock by many mutual fund schemes. Coming to the returns, here we have only 1 and 3 year returns because it is not yet completed 5 years after getting into the stock market. So for 1 year it is given as a return of 36% and for 3 years it is given as a return of 43%. Next one in the list is TTK Prestige. Its current share price is 8,130 rupees. The 52-week low is 5,055, whereas the high is 9,280. The industry PE is 41, whereas the company PE is 35. The PB is 9. The ROCE is 24 and the debt to equity is 0 here. The TTM EPS is 158. The promoter holding is 70%. 768 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 25%, for 3 years 24%, and for 5 years it is 24.44%. Next one on the list is Vanguard Industries. Its current share price is 217 rupees. The 52-week low is 159, whereas the high is 254. The industry PE is 52, whereas the company PE is 68. The PB is 11. The ROCE is 25 and the debt to equity is 0 here. The TTM EPS is 3. The promoter holding is 64% and 1,030 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, 1 year it is negative, which is minus 7%. But for 3 and 5 years it is given us very good returns. For 3 years it is given us a return of 53% and for 5 years it is given us a return of 46%. Next one and the last one on the list is V-Mart Retail. Its current share price is 2,705. The 52-week low is 1,821, whereas the high is 3,299. The industry PE is 137, whereas the company PE is 62. The PB is 14. The ROCE is 34 and the debt to equity is 0. The TTM EPS is 43. The promoter holding is 53%. And 264 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 40%, for 3 years 78%, and for 5 years 56%. So these are the 10 stocks bought by Vanguard Group in the month of March, and they have bought all these 10 stocks in just one day for 1300 crores. So if at all you want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from our side. I just wanted to let you all know that this bulk deal has happened, and the one of the leading wealth management companies in the US has bought all these stocks. And my personal favorite from this is obviously Aarti Industries, because I had been telling it to you all many times, and I had told you all in my recent video also. 5 months ago also I had made a wealth creating stock video on Aarti Industries. So my personal favorite is Aarti here. So all other stocks returns are good, but you'll have to check with the PE and the returns, because few stocks returns are in negative for 5 years also. So do your research and then start investing. As I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.